Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the to create a JavaScript new date, and this is the very important for the your software development purpose. And here is some of the syntax has been given in here. So now see the Java new date. The new date creates a date object with the current date and times. And suppose we want to take the any current date and time, we use the date object. The date objects are created with the new date constructor. There are various type of constructor in JavaScript. The first one is a new date. There is no parameter. And second one is a new date and is the string type. And third one is a date year and we are supplying the month. And next one date year month and day. And next date year month day hours. And next one is the date year month day hours minutes. And next date year month day hours minutes and second. The next one is the new date millisecond. These are the various constructors. These are constructor is a very important method. It's basically used to initialization of the code your date. And let's see, we'll see some example in here and how you will create in the JavaScript using date object. Now see, this is the example, and we have used our HTML JavaScript, and we have applied some HTML tag in here, and this is our HTML tag. This is about the parent tag, and we are closing with HTML, and next we have started the body. And here we are giving the JavaScript date using h1 tag, and next one h2 tag we are applying using new date method or constructor. And here we have given the one message paragraph create a new date object with the current date and time. And PID is equal to 10. It means the paragraph ID is equal to demo, and we will call this particular JavaScript code in this demo ID. Let's go down this. Okay, now see, this is the script, and here we have declared one of the constant variable that G is equal to new date, because whatever current date we are taking, it's initializing inside the date. And document.